welcome back to my channel. So I was planning on doing a DIY for you guys, but unfortunately I think I pulled a leg and I think I pulled a muscle in my leg, and so today I'm headed off to the hospital. How fun and lovely. And on top of that, I feel sick too. Not fun at all. Okay, here we are pulling in now. Me trying to walk into the hospital, but I'm being slow. My goodness, I really hate hospitals. I wish I hadn't done this. I was planning a really cool video today. Probably gonna have to wait now till tomorrow. Sucks. Guys, now they're gonna check me for a blood clot. How lovely. Sorry guys, I know I'm looking like a monster right now. Oh my gosh guys, so we just did the ultrasound and it was so painful on my leg. And like it would hurt so bad when they would push down on my leg. Like hurts all right here. This area. I just want to go home. Okay guys, so it ended up being a torn muscle in my leg, so yep, I think I overworked myself. But yeah, so sorry guys that this wasn't really a fun video. I will hopefully post up my DIY wreath by tomorrow, just depending on if I can get everything done, because it's going to be hard taking care of my kids with a hurt leg. So yeah, but I will see you guys next time, and yep, bye guys.